So you can see down in the tube that it's all black now. This one's got a little bit of space. It ain't all the way full, but that's all right. So are you ever driving down the road and it's like water swishing and swashing, and it feels like you're getting seasick because the water is swishing and swashing in the back of the tank? Well, today I'm going to show you how that you can make that not happen by putting baffles in it. Now, it's not your ordinary baffles. You can put the high dollar baffles in. They'll cost you about $1,000, $1,500 worth of baffles. Or you can use this black quality pipe that has slits in it. You can see the slits down in there, and it works the exact same way. So that's what we're going to show you how to do today.
Hey, I'm baffled by it.
Ha! And yes, I am going to put it in the bleach tank and the water tank, so that way it will.
Hey, you want a pocket knife?
Yeah, pocket knife to probably cut it.
It's not
That sharp.
great, but it'll cut. It'll cut. Just like on the show. Your knife? Yeah.
That's not a knife. This meat is a knife.
What do you put, like 3 pieces, 4 pieces in it?
Yeah, put a couple more in.
Make sure we don't hit the thing.
What thing?
The,
Yeah, I'm making sure it's still on the bottom.
yeah, our light will knock that off. You won't be able to touch it.
A couple more in there. Put some on the other end so that way it kind of goes down that way.
It shouldn't float either.
Huh?
I said it shouldn't float with the holes in it.
Right.
Oh, you hope. Did you like it? I'm baffled.
Might do one more.
One little piece of it right there in between. How'd you figure this out?
I've seen it somewhere. There we go. All you need is just keep it from. So the bleach tank done. Now we'll do the big tank. Cut it and do another one.
Yeah.
Watch so it don't knock yourself in the nuts or something. Actually, before we do that next one,
What's that?
I want to get that one piece underneath here.
You want the stick?
I got one piece that keeps floating weird on me. There we go. Now we're underneath that tube, so that'll keep it pushed down. Because it's been floating weird on me. Both of them are on the bottom. Let's see. You can probably put one more in or two. I just gotta watch that float over there. It's my biggest concern.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just do a couple short pieces here. We'll just do some short pieces to throw down in the middle there.
I'm baffled by it. I thought it was pretty good on the fly. It'd be nice if the hole was on the side here.
Yeah.
Because then you could spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it.
Right.
Then again, if something gets knocked out in that right corner, you're fucked.
I think that, I mean, we'll put, maybe, let's see if we can do one more long one and then we'll see. The only thing I can worry about is that float. Okay, we're still good on the float. All right. We're good on the float. That's my only thing I'm worried about. So.
Hopefully. I'll have to keep on looking just in case it moves.
Do what now?
I'll just look to see if it moves.
Yeah, so as long as that float goes up and down. Here's your knife. So you can see down in the tube that it's all black now. This one's got a little bit of space. It ain't all the way full, but that's all right. So that is how you make it from sloshing. Put all the pipe down in there, and now it's all completely full. And you can see that it won't slosh as much, which is what we want. No sloshy sloshy.